And welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
Up first this evening, up to 100 victims defrauded by Gene and Panton at Stocks and Securities Limited SSL are the only ones who will get money from the current SSL Victim Compensation Fund.
The fund is currently valued at roughly $500,000 or 78 million Jamaican dollars.
Now, the trustee has also made it clear that no fake statements, unrealized gains or opportunity costs will be considered as part of the payout.
Among those defrauded is track and field icon Usain Bolt, who discovered that $2 billion went missing from his SSL account. People who did business with the Stocks and Securities Limited SSL, which is at the center of a multi-billion-dollar fraud, have one thing on their minds: when will I get back my money? Trustee Cadion Campbell has indicated that $78 million is available in the SSL Victim Compensation Fund. That money came from management fees.
The service that is being provided to the general body of clients,
yes,
there's a fee that is charged to these clients, and part of the allocation is for the Victims Compensation Fund. So not just administrative costs and fees, but also Victim Compensation Fund.
So who is qualified to get money from the SSL Victim Compensation Fund?
It's between 50 and 100 persons, we estimate, that will be eligible for the Victim Compensation Funds. Claimants for the Victim Compensation Fund is limited to only those clients who were affected by the activities of Ms. Panton.
Gene and Panton, a former SSL client relationship manager, has been the only person charged so far in connection with the fraud, estimated at $30 million.
We're not making any payments with regards to unrealized gain, opportunity costs, and some of these fictitious statements that may have been submitted to the clients. We are dealing with hard cold cash. So if $100 came in and Ms. Panton, so for instance, might have submitted a statement that suggested you are now owed $200, but over the course of the time she had given you $120, by my assessment, you have been repaid.
Similarly, if a person got a statement saying they invested $100 in a company and that so-called investment is now worth $200, if there was no investment, only the principal of $100 would be considered for repayment. When claims submitted by April 30 are vetted and approved, the money will be shared among claimants.
We won't show preference whether you're large, small, you're famous or not. Regardless of the claimant's position and status, they'll receive the same percentage distribution.
Among those eligible for payout under the SSL Victim Compensation Fund, sprint legend Usain Bolt through his company, Wellgen. So Wellgen is expected to get a payout if a claim is in fact made?
Yes.
In the meantime, about $4 billion have been paid out to roughly 1,500 SSL clients who were unaffected by the fraud. Those clients should also submit their claims to get back their money. Roughly $450 million in equity portfolios have also been transferred. SSL clients who are yet to do a transfer are reminded to find a new broker and submit the information.
The state of the SSL estate is such that we will not be able to continue the claim processing exercise beyond this year. We want to wrap up claims processing during the second half of this calendar year.
That way, if additional money is recovered, there's a record of what each client is entitled to.
We are pursuing to the best of our abilities in the circumstances, recover from some of those. Some of them we will be able to make some realization. There are others that it's very doubtful at this time, but circumstances may change.